everybody, society, the country, the whole world, right? Now you have to think more deeply. Is it bad for everybody if there's air pollution in the city? Tick chew, hello, cow, not chew. That's confusing. Um, but yeah, so that's what part three. The examiner will ask you something else based on your answer. And if you don't know, right, just think about, do I like it? Is it good for me? And then think, is it good for you? Is it good for the examiner? And then think, is it good for everybody in the world, society? Okay. All right. So we're gonna keep going. Um, Beibu, in and Fum. Your question, you're starting out with describe your house. Okay, describe your house. That's 2 steps, 3 steps, 3 steps. One, simple answer. My house is big, or my house is small, or my house is medium, or blah, blah, blah. My house is something. Your opinion. I think a small house is good to save money. Or I feel comfortable in my house. Or uh, I like having a big house because there's more space, right? So simple answer plus your opinion, I think or I feel. And then you give a short story of the past tense. So I like my small house. For example, yesterday, um, it was hot. And because my house is small, I turn on the air conditioner and my room became cold very quickly. So it didn't cost me a lot of money. I sat in my room, I took off my shirt, I read a book, and then I fell asleep. All past tense, okay? Just simply, your house, is it big or small? Is it yellow, white, blue, red? Is it comfortable? Whatever. Your opinion about that. And then a short story in the past tense. And you need to say the time. So it will either be yesterday, last week, or it could be something like usually, right? I usually uh, go to work, but I was I was at home because I was sick or I felt sick, so I stayed home. Right? You can say a time like yesterday, last week, last month, or you can say something like usually, sometimes, always, if you need to. All right. So, Boo, um, in and Fum, describe your house. Boo, you're first. Boo,
Hello.
May I go first? Oh,
Boo, going first.
Uh,
So, describe your house.
Okay, my house is a let's see. It is big, but just bigger than a regular normal size house. It is
Mhm.
cozy, warm, and I feel safe at home, like my house.
Yep.
Um,
For example,
okay. For example,
yep. Tell me a story about your house in the past.
okay. So my house was a small house at first, and then my dad worked,
Okay.
and then got some money, and then he rebuilt it to like
hmm
bigger, and like he made it bigger in more bedrooms. So there's only 4 people in my family, but there's like 10 room inside.
Okay.
So yeah, sometimes it feel like we're not connecting because we just stay in our rooms all the time, but
hmm
it's nice, it's comfortable. Yeah.
Right. That's good. That's how you answer. Good. So as long as you can remember those 3 steps, that's like a band 9 type answer for that first speaking question. Good.